Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Baku GP, Mercedes Lewis Hamilton to start from pit lane after installing new power unit. Baku, Azerbaijan, September 15, ANI. The 7-time world champion and Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 team driver Lewis Hamilton will start from the pit lane in the Baku Grand Prix after he installed a new power unit, according to Sky Sports. It was Hamilton's 5th power unit of the ongoing 2024 Formula One season, which resulted in him starting from the pit lane. After a disappointing performance in the qualification round, Hamilton was supposed to start in 7th place on the grid. Speaking to Sky Sports after the qualification round, Hamilton said that his W15 felt amazing to drive during the practices. "Yesterday the car was amazing, it felt great and I honestly think it could have been at least second row today. The tyres didn't work all day. It's only tyres. If you see the Williams, all of a sudden we're up there, when you get the tyres working," Hamilton was quoted by Sky Sports as saying. The British driver pointed out that in every qualification round, he has lost around half a second, to a second. "But I'm doing everything I normally do and more, trying absolutely everything with the tyres. When we go out, most often the tyres are below the window and you can't get them up. You look at my last sector, it's quickest, but it's at the end of the lap. Every single Saturday I've lost at least half a second, to a second, and today I lost a second compared to yesterday," he added. "I do it every weekend. All I can do is just work as hard as I can. I've just got to stay positive and not get into my head," he further added. Currently, Hamilton is standing in 6th place on the 2024 driver standings with just 164. Meanwhile, Mercedes holds the 4th place on the 2024 constructor standings with 292 points.